food.
Okay guys, welcome back. Right now today I got just some plain chicken, I don't know, chicken stuff. It is like frozen pack, so nothing really special about it. Not gonna lie, I'm loving the flavour. Like, try this carrot. Perfectly. And the sauce, sweet and sour. Insane. I mean, I know what peas taste like. Crunchy green crappy things, but the chicken is fire. It's good. I'm almost monetized. A couple more thousand YouTube watch hours. And I'll be there. So yeah, I need you guys to share the videos because yeah, help me share because I'm actually pretty popular on YouTube, not gonna lie. So it's interesting though. TikTok's alright, but YouTube just hits different. And of course I'm sitting in the rain. In life, you gotta play the cards differently. How they are. If someone has a broken leg for infinite, they lost that leg, car accident, are you gonna stay depressed with your one leg, or are you gonna solve the issue by being positive and playing the cards differently to normal people? I'm saying everyone is normal, but you might do some different things. You know, you could try Paralympics, you could try anything really. It doesn't matter as long as you're doing well in life. It's like a train. You're going one way or the other. So play the cards how they are, my man.
What the hell are you talking about?
Don't listen to the guys in the background. Then the soldier. Shush! You have to play the cards differently, you know? You gotta, like, if you, I'm not saying people are fat, but like, if you want to eat, you can eat. Like, I want to eat, but I kind of want to get fat and then just like, I don't know, just lose all the fat. Because I feel like I accomplished something.
Aiden.
If I can do that, anyone can do that.
Aiden, me and your mom are getting divorced.
That's interesting. If your parents get divorced, why marry in the first place? Death means something different. Divorce means depression. Depression could lead to suicide. You gotta help one person at a time. You don't help them, punishments could happen. On mobile, you can win to play. You can win your score. And you can even win on misplay to get free gift cards. It's all online and free. Use code HeyRossKing to get 10% off in the gift card shop. So I want to say, guys, also in the next couple of videos, I will be asking random strangers just random questions, like if they like McDonald's and stuff. Well, like, do you know this band? Do you know the bill? I'll be asking that sort of stuff. So stay tuned for more. Bye, and see you later.